In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create folders in Google Drive on your PC, a simple but essential skill that helps you stay organized and work more efficiently. Whether you're managing school projects, business files, or personal documents, creating folders is the best way to keep everything neat and easy to find. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. If you're not already logged in, sign in with your Google account credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on your My Drive page. This is your main storage area where all your files and folders are located. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a colorful button labeled New. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your control center for adding new items to your drive, whether it's files, folders, or even Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides. After clicking New, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select the first option, Folder. This will open a small dialog box where you can name your new folder. When naming your folder, choose something clear and descriptive so you'll instantly know what it contains later. And for example, you might name it Invoices 2025, Work Projects, or Personal Photos. A good naming habit keeps your drive structured and helps you find things faster using the search bar. Once you've entered your folder name, click Create. Instantly, your new folder will appear under My Drive. You'll see it alongside your existing files and folders, and just like that, you've successfully created your first folder in Google Drive. From here, you can drag and drop files into the folder to organize your documents, images, or other items. If you want to take your organization a step further, you can even create subfolders inside your main folder. For example, within a folder called Work Projects, you could make smaller folders like reports, presentations, and client data. Organizing your drive this way not only keeps things tidy but also makes collaboration smoother when sharing specific folders with team members or clients. And there you have it. That's how you create folders in Google Drive on your PC. A small action that goes a long way toward boosting your productivity and digital organization. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more quick tutorials to make your workflow even more efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.